Hello. So our today's question is, the following solutions were prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentration. Which of the following one of them will be equal to 1? The pH of which of the following is equal to 1? So we have to see. So the pH of 75 ml M by 5 HCl and 25 ml M by 5 NaOH. Let's see how. So if we add 75 plus 25, we get 100 ml, right? So the number of M molars of HCl is 75 into M by 5, which is equal to 15. Similarly, for the 25 NaOH, 25 into M by 5 is equal to 5. Right? We just cut it here. So the 5 M molar of NaOH will neutralize the 5 M molars of HCl. So we are left with 10 M molars in total. So the H plus in HCl equals to 10 molars upon 100 ml. That's the total what we got, and that's 0.1 m. 0.1 m, right? Similarly, so the pH, we already know that our pH is formed by minus log of H plus. So the H plus molarity is 0.1. So hence our pH equals to 1. Thank you.